Hi friends, welcome back in the new video. In this video we are going to create a program in Delta DVP20 SX2 PLC. The task is some like this. We are using three outputs Y0, Y1, Y2 and only single input X1. Okay, so here we have some setup for practical like some switch and PLC. Now let's begin with the ISP soft. Okay, so this type of program is very fundamental, very basic for some kind of packaging machines where we can use manual and auto mode. So here I'm targeting for the manual mode through counter and automatic mode through the timer. So let me begin a program with the counter. So I am requesting to all the viewers, don't miss any part of this video, which will be very helpful for the next part. Now let's create a program. Right click and new. Here you can give any name of your program. Let's take the input x1 for the counter pulse. You can also use here rising edge. And this input feed to the counter C0 and the counting value is last counting value is 4. Okay, in the new network number 2, I'm going to make a logic. If the counting value is 1, then it will set y0 and y1 and reset y2. That's mean y0 and y1 will be on and y2 will be off. In this network, when counting value is 2, then y1 and y2 remains on and y0 become off. So y1 and y2 become set and y0 remain reset. And similarly with the new network C0, when counting value is 3, in this case we are going to turn on y2 and y0 and y1 remains off. Okay, so here we go. Okay, now we are going to create one more network which make reset all the outputs and reset the counter also. When the counting value is 4, in this case we are going to create a logic which makes all the outputs and counter reset. So here in this way we can make machines like in manual mode. When you press a push button, in this case only it will act as per the program. Okay, so here is the program completed and now I am going to compile and check. Okay, this shows a message because we set wrong PLC. The PLC not exactly SX2, so we can change from tool. From tool there is an option change PLC type. So here we have to select SX2. Okay. Okay, now the setting is perfect. Now we can transfer, download the program. Okay, so it's all done. Okay, now I'm going to press X1 push button. So below of that red one push button, there is the push button which is feed in X1 terminal of the PLC, and you can see when I press once, X0 X and X1 become high, and Y0 and Y1 become high and Y2 become low. So here you can see when I press the switch again and again, it changes logic. It changes the output as according to logic in the program. And in such a way we can create a program for a machine, for a packaging kind of machines, which have to work in the manual mode. Now we are going to check a program for automatic mode using timer and conditional on the timer, conditions on the timer. Okay, so it's done all. Now we are starting a program for timer, and for this we are taking an input which is M1000 bit. This bit is normally closed, and now we are taking a timer T0, which timing value with we can put 15 second, 5 second for each outputs. So I set here 15 second, and if the timing value is less than 5 seconds, so it will turn on first LED, first output, which is Y0 and Y1. It active Y0 and Y1. At the same time, Y2 remains off. In the new network, we are going to create a logic between 5 to 10 second. Between the 5 to 10 second output, Y1 and Y2 remains on and Y0 remains off. Okay, so this is the condition which is timing value is less than and equal 10 second. So set Y1, set Y2 and reset Y0. And again new network. But the timing value is greater than 10 second, we will activate Y1 and Y0, and in the same time Y2 remains off. Y0 and reset Y1. Okay, so here it completed all the networks. Now we have to reset timer automatically. If you want to reset the timer automatically, we have to put NC of the timer before the timer. Before the timer block, we have to use NC of the timer itself. So here we can put the NC. In such a way we can reset the timer automatically after completion of the timing that we set. Okay, now we can compile and check the program, and and simulate it. I am opening the COM manager. I already set the PLC. It's compiled. Better to check for the error. Okay, now I am going to download the program in the PLC. Again I set the wrong PLC type. We can change from here as X2, and here we go. And then after transfer the program, okay, so here it's completed. Now I can go online, and you can see automatically the timing is changed, and it's activate the output as per the logic. So you can see the logic on the PLC itself here. It's automatically changed. So here is completed the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.